Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically make your Google Forms public. So I'm just going to open up this form. Make sure you edit everything. Then once you're done, you're going to go to settings and you're going to scroll down to responses and make sure you have do not collect enabled so that people don't need an email to respond to the Google form. You're also going to turn this off so that they don't have to sign into Google. And then once you're ready to share it or make it public, just hit the send button. You can send via their email, or you can also select this. You can also shorten the URL so it's more neat and copy it and paste it somewhere, and you can send it to your friends, or you can add it to your bio or whatever. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!